Are you vlogging? Laika, how are you doing today?
Hungry.
You're hungry?
Mask.
You just had food. What are you wearing?
Ultra Boost.
Ultra Boost.
What
I'm
do you-
wearing freaking high shoes.
Lloyd, how you doing?
Good, man. No excuses. You know, we're out here today in Coquitlam doing the crunch. Just got my waterproof hiking boots on, waterproof jacket, and you're good to go, ready to tackle the weather, man. No excuses, baby. Let's get it.
Let's get it, broskies, siblings, and whatnot. This is my first time doing this, our first time doing this. So, we will see how it turns out. It's we got some mist going on, but shouldn't be a problem, I guess. Okay, bye. A very hyperactive dog
Australian Shepherd.
because
That's just how it's built. Like you have to go on like runs and like stuff like that. Huh?
what'd you say?
I'm already tired, guys.
You're already tired.
She's already tired.
What will your friends say? They're not gonna be proud of you.
They'd say that they'd be tired too.
Trail closed, but it ain't stopping us. Cougar in the area. Gotta be careful. Laika, there's cougars in the area.
Cougar. What's up, everyone? Happy Sunday. We're here today in Coquitlam doing the crunch with the siblings. Brother over here on the left. Got the two sisters right there on the right. As you guys can see, it is a not very sunny. It's raining lightly, but as you guys know, we're out here to get results.
He's doing his own thing
So,
too. So check him
No
out.
excuses, guys. You got to do cardio every day,
No excuses.
whether it's lower impact, steady state, or a bit of higher intensity. As for me, I really like low impact, steady state, such as walking with light movement.
Walking for about 5 minutes now.
No.
5 minutes?
No, like 9 minutes.
9 minutes. And we found out another parking spot. We gotta park closer, but
Okay.
again, that's okay. No excuses, guys. Let's do this. Oh, here comes the sign. Welcome to the crunch. Hey guys, just an idea to where we came from. We are parked somewhere over there, and this is how far we have walked. Sibs. And we've got to go way up there. I don't think it'll be too crazy, but proper boots should be okay. Or even regular training shoes would do the trick. Let's go.
Hawed needs to cross. Let's go.
Look both ways, guys. We got more street parking over here, which is kind of not unfair, but at the same time we don't want to make it too easy, so we still park all the way out there, not here where it's super close to the actual trail, I guess. Okay guys, we just got to the actual start of the trail where we're gonna be hitting the incline any second now.
I'm out of breath.
Laika is out of breath. It says there, start here. Anyway, let's do this.
I'm gonna time us to see.
I mean, we're not gonna be doing it competitively.
Yeah, no, I just want to see how. I mean, I'll start it when we get there.
Yeah.
There's Wi-Fi
That's where you are.
in the trail.
The trail. Apparently, the very beginning over there wasn't even the actual trail.
It's a good warm-up though.
Yeah, that was a good warm up.
It's a good warm-up.
There's the big brother vlogging with like ultra expensive camera. Well, I use just a regular cell phone. Two
What's up,
siblings
team?
over there doing their own thing as well.
Who
And,
knows?
As I said,
We should all be vloggers.
low
Laika, you should be vlogging. Talk to your friends.
key in order for
I
you
am.
to
Oh, okay.
maintain the muscle
5
mass
feet
that you have
apart,
in the
5
body
steps
and
apart.
also burn the fat that you don't want. Reason being is the higher
Okay.
Don't bunch the
you exercise
crunch.
it,
Okay, starting.
it
Okay,
will
guys.
take
First
toll on your body.
official step.
Wait.
More
I made
Let's do
that.
it. Let's go.
energy burning muscle as you do it. So as you guys know, low intensity steady state is when you weight go.
You go, girl.
Well, my thing is heavy. I'm a bodybuilder, bro. I don't run.
Yeah, this is our first time, so I don't think we will be jogging up there. But we'll see how it goes, right?
We are doing it now.
Are these the number of steps?
Doubt it.
What's up, guys? So we are at check it quickly, 200 steps.
Thumbnail.
Just an update. That's how far we've come.
Thumbnail.
Taking a little break.
Oh yeah.
Not really, but it's more for the video.
Thumbnail photo.
Thumbnail photo.
What's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube?
This is brought to you by Weepool. Put up the link below, get a free stock.
What's up, personal trainer?
Hey, getting killed.
How many calories do you think we're already at? Starting from
50.
the car.
Probably about 50, 60,
50? City?
50. Nothing much. Although the incline does help in burning a bit more than usual.
Yeah.
But I'm saying
Water for the baby sister.
No, I don't trust you.
You dropped something.
Oh, fudge.
talc.
Mm.
You drop the talc.
Guys, we're getting close, guys. Laika, are you almost there?
Yeah.
How many more steps? A little bit more.
I can't do that.
450. And we are done. Good stuff. That wasn't too bad.
Why are your ears like that?
Why are my ears what? Like this?
Like what?
Like sticking
Now
out.
I'm on it.
Chicken butt.
Freaking.
7 minutes.
That's
What?
like 7.
How long did we take?
7 minutes?
Since you
I
timed
don't
it?
know. Maybe it stopped. But
Okay, guys. So just an update. We made it to the top.
Starting to rain pretty hard.
We did time it, as you may have seen. Took us about 7.5 minutes, but that is average walking speed.
You gotta walk faster than last time.
It is starting to rain, but I gotta say, it was a nice little hike, a nice little trail. Nothing too crazy. Good to get you warmed up. We are gonna start our descent because it is now starting to rain, and I don't want my camera to get soaked. Although it's weather sealed, but still. Okay.
Oh shit.
hey,
Hi.
Okay, guys. So we just spotted a couple.
you're gonna cross.
Whoa, look at that. Yo, what's up, friends? Hi, friends. Hi, friends. Where are you guys going? They're this close to us, guys. They're that close. Guys, heading to the bathroom just to see. His legs are shaking
Okay.
from that
Oh,
little
it's not
hike.
shaking.
I don't know why.
Stop.
Dang it! I've been like personal trainer who? Jokes. Oh, bro, me too though.
Laika, how was the little hike?
Wasn't as bad as I thought, but like at first I was like, stop. But like,
Mag-wash sila.
Okay, guys, so now we made it back to the car. It wasn't an okay hike. Not too bad. Not too hard either. At the same time, I feel like at the top of the trail, I feel like we can continue to go further up. It's just that the rain started kind of coming down a little harder. That's why we decided to make the trek down. But maybe next time, maybe when the weather is nicer, maybe when spring comes, maybe we'll go further up and see the full Coquitlam Crunch. So that's about it. We'll see what we'll do next and see you in a bit.
get a rock.